AEON stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Aeon Biopharma stock is sitting at approximately around, quite poor honestly, like I'm not even trying to exaggerate, but we just had like a reverse split, another times 72 the price, dividing the 72 times, you know, the value of the ticker. But AEON, bro, is just, it's not good. It's not, for me, it's been like a typical, you know, bearish market. We have an upcoming earnings report in May, which is not, it's not soon, it's not recent. So what I'll say is the likelihood that this thing keeps melting down is still quite high. So what I'll, you know, do, what I'm looking to do pretty much here is that only looking to take it lower only if the rules are met, like not in a way where I'm just gonna, you know, sell, or just like, if you ask me, like it's bearish market, but if it just starts breaking above 1031, then it's a whole different story. But it's just, it's a crazy discrepancy. So for me, as of right now, to not make it complicated, it's bearish. So if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description.